Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can check your laptop temperature in Windows 11. So there are two things. You can either check the CPU or the GPU. To check the GPU, it's pretty simple. You just search for Task Manager right over in the search button and then click on Open. Then you go to Performance and then under GPU, as you can see, it's like shows you 45 degree, 46 degree. That's your GPU. But if you want to monitor your CPU, what you need to do is search for MSI Afterburner. Click on this one and then you're going to click on the final one, and once you download it, just head over to the file and install it. Once it is installed, it's going to load up. So we're going to open this. Yes, this is the MSI Afterburner. You want to hit on the settings. You want to go to monitoring. From there, you want to tick the CPU temperature, and then you want to click on show in on-screen display and then click on OK. And once you're done, you just head over to this monitor screen. As you can see, 41 degree, that is my CPU temperature right now. Or inside here, you can see the temperature is 45, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.